Hello guys, good morning. Whatever time you're seeing this video, you're welcome back again to the channel. So this attachment is the attachment I wanted to use, mix all of them together and see the color it's gonna give me and then use it. Okay, in the meantime, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button to join this family. Okay, welcome back guys. So this is your girl Irene, and today's video I'm going to be making this particular hairstyle you're seeing by the downside of this video. So that's the hairstyle I want to make. Let's see if this hairstyle is gonna look good on me. You guys, I'm not using black attachments like I would normally use, but I'm using a different color like I always do. I want to personalize this hairstyle. Yes, even though I saw it online and I feel okay, let me try this hairstyle so you guys can see how it looks on my face, but then I'm not going to use the exact same color. Okay, I'm going to try and personalize it to see how it's gonna look. So if you're watching this video and you feel like you want to make the same hairstyle too, you might as well try personalizing it. Let's see how it's gonna look on you too. Okay, just tag me anywhere on Facebook, on TikTok. I'm going to come and see the hair. Okay, so we are midway into the braids. At this point we've entered where we're gonna do what is it called, Ghana weaving. And you guys know that I grow a 4C hair, so it's not going to be as smooth as when I wasn't growing a 4C hair. You understand? Another thing too is that I'm making this hair at home in case you see any member of my family walking past. So I'm making this hairstyle at home. I called a Nigerian hairstylist to come to the house and make this hair for me. Okay, so that's what we are doing. I usually went on live stream filming this video, so if you want to get it in real time, you might as well go to my live stream and then you're gonna see the video. So yeah, I'm praying and hoping that this hair is gonna come out nicely. Okay, yeah, considering my old experiences and all that. So if you've watched to this point and you are not subscribed yet, to be honest, that's wickedness. Do you know that that's wickedness? Let me not say you're wicked. Please, at this point, subscribe, turn on your bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. You get to know it, like you get the information firsthand. You understand? But if you don't, you might be the last person to get a notification. So we started digging. You guys, what do you guys think? Do you think it's beginning to look like it? Do you think the curve is curving? Maybe the curve is not really curving. Well, what me sharp Peter? It means please barb that type of hair that you barb Peter. Barb me that type. And you know that you and Peter doesn't have the same shape of head. Anyway, that's what this channel is all about. Anyways, we get to try different hairstyles and see whether it's gonna fit or not. If it fits, cool. If it doesn't fit, still cool. Nothing changes. Everything is just cool. Okay, so I feel like the color is looking good on me. What do you guys think? Damn, it just looks like a leaf. I don't know, if you look at it fast you feel like you're looking at a leaf. You get I deliberately told her not to touch my edges, okay, because I don't want anything that will happen to my edges. And you guys, did I tell you that this hair is very long? Oh, I forgot to mention, the hair is very long, and I didn't make mine skirt and blouse like the one you see in the picture, where it has step by step. I just didn't want it that way because I don't intend to put beads. So I told her to make the whole hair, like to make it one length. You understand? So the hair is very long that it took hours. It took hours to make. And at some point I told myself to come and start helping me to give attachments so that I can have, chance to film my video, film my record of my hair. You guys, today we made this hair. Was a very cool day. And the people that were in my live stream, because I was live streaming and filming at the same time, the people in my live stream were really kind and loving people. They were just telling me nice things, telling me my hair is fine. So please tell me nice things in the comment section. Tell me that my hair is fine, okay, even though we're still making it. The hair is very long, no doubt. The hair is very, very, very long. And to be honest, I think I've mentioned it on this channel before. I don't think I can be a full-time braider. I don't think I have the strength. Yes, I know how to braid. I can, make one or two things when it comes to braiding. I'm not really an expert too, but last I can still braid hair. You understand the hair. But then it's those people that make it as a job, like it's their full-time job. They're braiding hair. Okay, we are the hot water process now. So you see those people that make it their full-time job, to be honest, they try. I can't deal with it. I cannot. From morning to night, I was so afraid they made not pour me hot water. From morning to night, you're plaiting somebody's hair. No. I mean, it's an honest job. It's a beautiful job. It's a skillful job. A very, very creative job. And to be honest, I can make most of this hair. It might not really come out smooth, but even though with time, you understand. But still, I can't still bring myself to sitting down and making somebody's hair. At the end of the day, they pay me. You must have to pay me a fortune, because this is creativity at its best. So, which is why I love to care for people who braid my hair. Okay. So if you make my hair, either I'll tip you off, or if I have anything that I have, I'll give you. Because to be honest, it's not easy to just make. The day this lady made hair, she made every single person in our house hair. All the girls, except for my grandmother and my mom, who don't make their hair. But from my sister to my children to my cousin, my children's sisters, my sister's children, she made every single person's hair. And yet she stood on flickered, like, she didn't even look like she did anything. It takes a lot of strength, God's guidance, God's blessing, God's everything, God to do this kind of work. Anyway, look at my ages. My ages is aging. My ages is slaying. It's so beautiful. I wish I can do these ages myself. You understand? So you guys look at the braids. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I know I've talked too much in this video. But what do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? Do you think that my hair, the color and everything, and the one on the picture corresponds? Or do you think mine is even finer? If you ask me, I'll tell you my one is finer. So this is her taking pictures of my hair because she wants to post it on her TikTok account too. And she said, please, can I take a video? I said, me that the video myself post. I bet video me, Jerry, video and post. You guys, look at my hair. I feel like mine is even better. Look at it now, and it's very long, very, very long. Something that passed my bum. Very long and cute. What do you guys think? Say something in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, do all those good stuff. I'll see you in my next video. Until then.